Hello everybody, this is the draw for the £50 Amazon voucher to celebrate Greenside Up getting to 5,000 subscribers. There will be another draw at 7.5 and at 10,000 subscribers, both for a £50 Amazon voucher too. So I've put the link in the text up there. Go down, get YouTube comments, and it's 360. And there's the start button. Click on that, and the winner is Lee Wazza. Congratulations, Lee. If you can send me an email, my email address is up on the screen now, or it's in the description for all my videos. Send me an email and I will sort your prize out from there. Congratulations, Lee, and thanks everyone for taking part, and thank you to all the new subscribers to Greenside Up. As I say, there'll be another draw at 7,500 and at 10,000 subscribers too, and both of those will be for a £50 Amazon voucher too. So again, congratulations, Lee. Drop me an email, mate, and we'll get it sorted out for you. Thanks very much.